Good afternoon, morning, folks. I just wanted to show you Zone 9B, Florida. Temps have not dropped below 55 degrees this winter at all. It's January 4th, and we're looking at what is called the acorn squash. Now, I just planted a whole brand new batch of seeds because the last batch I had covered were completely destroyed by caterpillars. I didn't spray enough thuricide, so it kind of got away from me. But I'm giving it another whirl, and I'm probably going to spray these either today or tomorrow with some thuricide to, help keep them alive. Anyhow, we're gonna keep monitoring this. These ones seem to be doing better. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.